Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Arc Raiders maximum simultaneous game instances reached. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, go ahead and find your taskbar. Right click on a blank space. Now click on Task Manager. Now in here, just go ahead and find Arc Raiders. You got to use the search bar Arc Raiders. If it's located, right click on it and just hit on End Task. Also Pioneer. Okay. Find it, right click and hit on End Task. And once that's done, go and launch your game again and check if it helps. Okay. Now if that still won't work, restart, try to restart your computer. And after that, check if it helps. Now if that still won't work, go ahead and find your launcher. It could be Steam. Okay. Go and find Arc Raiders, right click on it and click on Properties. Now under launch options, you're going to want to type these commands. Okay. First up, -EAC _launcher _delay 5 space 5000, and another one dash or hyphen or minus no _multiple _instances. Okay, and then once that's done, you can now go ahead and close this one, hit on play, and it should work now. And if that still will work, don't worry, you still have an option. Okay, go ahead and find your file explorer, local disk C, program files x86, and find easy anti-cheat. Right click on it and just delete it. Okay. Again, delete it. Once deleted, go ahead and find your launcher, find Arc Raiders, right click, click on Properties, installed files right here, and just verify the integrity of game files. Okay, and then once that's on, hit on play, and you should be good to go. And that is how you fix Arc Raiders maximum simultaneous game instances reached. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.